Good morning. Today is my move-in day to UBC Residence and I'm super pumped for this. Last year was purely online for first years, so this is gonna be like my technically like second year, first year experience. And yeah, I'd love it if you came along, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go move in. So first step is to pick up my best friend Simran, who has very graciously offered to help me move in. So here's everything all packed. I had a couple of bags in the front as well as this giant golden retriever stuffy because I'll miss my real one, and then a bunch of bags in the back as well. First, we waited in line to get our welcome packages and keys before unloading everything and going into the room. And it wasn't raining now, but it started raining so much later on. And here's a first look at the room. And here is our view from our balcony. We are on a moderately high floor. And here is just everything I've dumped into the fridge, which I will give a more detailed tour of later. Okay, wait. This is a phone. Here, it's okay. We can. Rachel is also helping me out.
Yeah, let's go.
She's an RA this year.
Next, we walked out in the rainy weather to grab some lunch at Sesame, and I loved how the store interior looked. So here's a quick overview of one of their walls. Next, we came back to the dorm, and I love how cozy it looks on a rainy day.
So it is about a week after I've moved in, and I'm going to give a quick room tour as well as a tour of the shared common space. So I'm living in Walter Gage this year, which means living with 5 other people. So there's 6 of us in total, and then we just share a washroom and a kitchen. Well, let's start with the room. Hello, welcome to my dorm room. So we'll be starting with my dresser and toiletries.
So here's my makeup and skincare, and I think having one of those little like organization things or even boxes as I have to the right there, that really helps. And here are the drawers where I keep like socks and undergarments and stuff, and they may look small, but they actually have quite a bit of space. I also got a full-length mirror, which really helps with makeup and outfits. And my best friend Simran actually drew this Pluto projector sketch as a housewarming gift, which is super cute, so thank you, Simran.
And then here is my desk where I do some of my lectures and studying. I try not to be in here too much just because we are on a very pretty campus. So I try to go out to the libraries or to the nest to study. But yeah, here is my setup.
And I have this coupon collection that's just been slowly accumulating. And here is the bed area set up. The bed is quite small, but it is very comfy and cozy. And here is the view, a nice mix of right into someone else's building and a few trees. And then here's me sticking my phone out of the window for this shot of the sidewalk below and the sun. And then here is the closet, which was a lot more space than I was expecting. I put all my clothes into this little square hanging organizer because I thought there wasn't gonna be much space, but we are good. And then I just hang my laundry bag in the back there. And then there's a mirror. Here's a shelf by the door. with some special emphasis on the food cabinet. So we got some Lucky Charms, s'mores bars, bear paws, some pasta, we got some Indomie, some instant ramen, always a good time, and we also got some peppermint tea. And then here is how the dorm looks like at night. We got some star string lights from Amazon and this pink flamingo LED light from Shoppers, and of course the cloud light from IKEA. Okay, next let us venture to the washroom. It's honestly a pretty big space. We got 2 sinks and then 1 shower stall there. And then here is the washroom stall. And then a line of hooks and the last shower stall there. Alright, next let us venture to the kitchen. There is a full-length mirror in the middle here. I just went to the gym, so I was in my gym fit. So here's the kitchen after everyone has kind of settled in. So we got a lot of cabinets, no shortage there. And then we got a stove, a sink, and it came with a microwave. The view from the kitchen is honestly really nice, especially when the sunlight's streaming in and the TV doesn't work. And here's an updated fridge tour. So we got some sauces, milk, eggs, gummies, vegetables. We got some tortilla wraps. And then in the freezer, I have some taquitos and takoyaki. Thank you so much for coming along for the move-in day, which was very hectic, as well as the tour of the place. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!